right, got the fuel system hooked up, got the charge pipes hooked up, still have some zip ties I have to add, still have to fill up some coolant and connect the AC system. But I think I have it to a point where I can at least turn it over, see what we're going to get. I didn't do that great of a job bleeding the air out, so it actually might not start the first start. Or it might start and sound really bad. We'll find out. Alright, looks like the belt started to slip off. You check that out. But I didn't see any smoke come out, so I think it's a success. If y'all recall earlier, there was a whole bunch of smoke that would billow out of the oil cap and the dipstick tube and out the back through all the spots. So I think we got it. It's a very sloppy rebuild. Like I said, I didn't have the cylinders bored out. I just went ahead and honed them. But I'm going to restart it, and I got to get all this stuff cleaned up, and we'll have another video at the end after the first test drive, see how it's going. All right, you guys have a good one.